the biggest investment which you can make in life is in your career.
Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. This is Chief Engineer Praneet Mehta. Welcome to my YouTube channel Merchant Navy Decoded. ये वीडियो अंत तक देखिए क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक केस स्टडी का डिस्कस होने वाला है. ट्रू स्टोरी गाइस, मेरे अपने एक दोस्त की है तो मैं उसका नाम नहीं लूँगा और सर से जानेंगे कि इसमें क्या चीज़ वो कर सकता था और क्या स्ट्रैटेजी गलत रही. तो सर दिस डेट्स टू ईयर 2011-10 आई वुड से, जब तक हम एक या दो सेलिंग फोर्थ इंजीनियर्स की मार के आ चुके थे. एट दैट टाइम माई सैलरी वॉज अराउंड $3500. तो जो मेरा दोस्त था मेरे साथ उसकी भी $3500 थी. उस टाइम पे कोई मार्केट में रेट ₹40 चल रहा था, तो अराउंड 1,70,000 के आसपास सैलरी थी पर मंथ की 2010 में. तो सर हम लोग तो अपनी ज़रूरतों के साथ चल रहे थे. उसने क्या किया सर, उसके किसी जानकार ने उसे बताया कि यार एक फ्लैट है बढ़िया इस इलाके में, बहुत इट्स अ गुड फ्लैट, एंड एट दैट टाइम इट कॉस्टेड हिम अराउंड 1.1 करोड़. एंड उसे अच्छा लगा. उसने जो 7 मंथ्स के अंदर उसने अराउंड 20 लाख रुपीज़ का कमाए थे 8 मंथ्स के अंदर. ही इन्वेस्टेड एज अ डाउन पेमेंट एंड ही बॉट दैट फ्लैट एंड देन देयर वाज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ 80,000 रुपीज़ पर मंथ उसको वो करना था फॉर नेक्स्ट 20 years. नाउ सर I met him 2 to 3 years later and he was when I was giving a class 1 exam, that was the time when he was giving class 2 exams. Why? Because during that time he could not sell because वो installment के चक्कर में he was busy with that. तो sir one thing is, should we take loans? क्या हमें घर बड़ा बनाने की, because coming from low middle class family I would love to have a flat or a house of my own. So what should have been the right strategy had you been on say my place 2009? आप बताइए.
First we should understand that our salary is not, as you said, 1.75 into 12. That is not a salary.
Right.
Our salary is 1.75 into 8.
8. Okay.
All the number of months that you sail, divided by 12. So this is the first fact which everybody should understand in being in a mariner community, that is our take home. Now the question which actually should have been that should he buy the flat?
Chalo,
loan comes afterwards. Now a house, we all come from middle class families. Most of them are from lower, upper, doesn't matter, but middle class largely. And the point is that all of us need a house, a home, and we needed a better home than what our parents had.
Agreed.
And we should actually give them a better house, give our family a better house, the children. So we all like to have our aspirations, but the question is that when can you actually go for something like a home? In my opinion, till you have completed your COC.
Which COC, sir?
The final COC of your career.
That is chief ka COC.
That is chief COC or the master's COC. You should avoid buying an expensive asset. If you want to make a certain discount in that, then you can do it at a level of chief officer or second engineer. When your salary is just second highest. So at a stage where there is a formula here that your loan to income should be so much. You should not pay out more than 40% of your income as a loan.
Okay, I'll repeat it again. Sir, can you please repeat this again in a very...
Yes. Suppose you are earning 1 lakh rupees a month.
Okay.
Then your payout should not be in loan, should not be more than 40,000 a month on a yearly basis.
So that means if your salary is 2 lakh rupees, so that means 2 into 8 is 16 lakhs. That is your yearly income is 16 lakh rupees. So 16 lakh का 40% is 6,40,000 rupees on annual basis, which makes it around 55,000 rupees a month से ऊपर आपका per month loan का installment नहीं
जाना चाहिए.
No matter what.
Yeah. This is on a round basis because you have to have other things, but that is for a person on shore. We have additional expenses. For 1.5 years, this fellow is going to stay back for his COC. As a fourth engineer, तो chance ही नहीं बनता है. One thing again I want to start, and you should underline this. The biggest investment which you can make in life is in your career, which means that clear all your exams as fast as you can with your own money. If you want to borrow it, I use the word borrow, from your parents and they're in a situation to lend it to you, it's fine. But otherwise, as soon as you clear your exam, go back to ship, as you come back from ship, appear for the exams, clear your exams, that is the biggest investment. And you can calculate. If you clear your chief's ticket or master's ticket in 10 years instead of 7 years, how many years earnings have you lost?
3 years, sir.
3 years as a master.
3 years as a master.
And suppose you've delayed your exams, and naturally the company also evaluates you. Your promotions become slow. So you have to be dedicated to one thing. It's either your career or it's frivolous things in life. You can spend all your money.
The biggest investment that you can make is in your career. I believe that, and मेरे ख्याल से sir, among all the investments that I have made which have gone very bad, this is the only investment where I can say, I can proudly say that justice is that I was, मतलब सर again कि मुझे सर उस टाइम पे पता था मुझे फटाफट सेलिंग करनी है और प्रमोशन लेने हैं, सेलिंग करनी है, एग्जाम क्लियर करने हैं, प्रमोशन लेने हैं. सो आई वांट टू से जस्ट वन थिंग, सो जिन लोगों को बड़े बड़े घर लेने का शौक है, फ्लैट्स लेने का शौक है, हर चीज़ का टाइम आएगा, कभी कोई डील निकलती नहीं है हाथ से. But become a chief engineer. If not chief engineer, become at least second year. Start getting that big chunk of part in 1 month, so that you can, even if you take loan, you can reduce that principal amount ASAP.
Correct,
right, sir?
correct.
So guys, just putting it across, loans बहुत सोच समझ के लेने हैं. And the biggest thing that you can invest is in your career. This is the point take away from this video. बाकी अगले वीडियो में बात करते हैं. Thank you very much. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.